Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. I have this 16-inch round that I want to do another pearl pour on. The last one I did had some weird looking cells come up, and my son said that it looks like lily pads to him. So I was like, lily pads, blue, water. Okay, so let's try it with metallic blue. So I am using the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Metallic Sapphire Blue. That will be my base color that I put down first. And I have made this thinner than I made my other paints. They're all mixed with Floetrol and water, but this one is, the Sapphire Blue is going to be thinner than the others. And this right here is Craft Smart Ocean Breeze, and this one is Craft Smart Aqua, and they are different in the colors. They kind of look the same on the camera, but there's a difference. I'm also using the Artist Loft Cerelean Blue and then Artist Loft Acrylic White. So we're going to put this down, and as soon as I did not realize that one of my props that holds my canvas up had gotten out of place, and it caused all my Sapphire Blue to move to one side. So I may have a little bit of problems with this, but we're going to try it anyway. And I'm just going to layer my colors in here. And I am separating the Ocean Breeze and the Aqua with the Cerelean Blue. And I finished up with white. And I just scraped all of that Sapphire Blue back to the center. I don't know how that's going to affect the pour, but we'll see. And doing the tree ring over the top, and the goal is to allow the tree ring pour to roll over the edges of the metallic, which it did very nicely. And I went much slower than this, I promise. But for the sake of time, I sped the video up. And I'm immediately getting cells. And all except for this one area here at the top, and that is where I had to scrape the metallic blue back into the center. So that's the only thing I could think of as to why it did not cell up right in that area. So I got some great looking cells, and I love the cloudy pour on the inside, and it's a little bit lighter than I was expecting it to be, and I'm not sure what I can do with it, but I'm sure I'll come up with something. So this let it set for about 40 minutes and come back, and taking you in with the camera and letting you see, these are some pretty large cells there that has come up, but they only come up right around the edges. There's that one lonesome one right there to the right of the screen, and then over on the other side I think there's another one that's kind of away from the rest of them. But in this area where the metallic and I scraped it back, it made cells, but they're all little cells with the looks like the Ocean Breeze in there. So, and all of these other ones have the Ocean Breeze in it too. It's not just the metallic blue. So that was a little bit different than the last one. And these that are misshapen a little bit, they're kind of ragged around the edges. I think it was from the torch I was using to try to bring up more of the metallic cells, and it just kind of misshapen those a little bit. But there it is. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and ring the bell so you get notified when I upload future videos. And I want to thank you for joining me for this one, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.